Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure your phone is signed into the same Google account used for the speaker and that the device is powered and reachable. Once done, open the Google Home app and locate the specific device card for the speaker or display you want to change. Tap the device card to open settings. This is where the network controls live. You're initiating the change now, not later, so keep your phone near the speaker and stay in range of both networks. Now you're inside the device controls. Tap the gear icon for settings, then find Wi-Fi and select Forget this network. This removes the old credentials so you can add a new one. If the app prompts you to put the device into setup mode, follow those on-screen instructions, typically holding a button or waiting for a ring. Make sure you have the new Wi-Fi name and password ready. Once the device is in setup mode, the app will guide you to connect to the new network. Finish by selecting the new Wi-Fi network in the Google Home setup flow and typing the password exactly. Small typos are the most common failure. Once you submit credentials, wait for the app to show a success confirmation or for the device to play a connection tone. If it fails, reboot the router and the Google device, move them closer, and retry setup, sometimes DNS or 2. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz differences require switching bands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.